What's your name?
It's so annoying.
Me?
Yeah.
Why is your shoe going on?
She's frustrated.
There you go.
Look,
Say
Priscilla,
hi.
look on the phone. You see yourself? Wow. She keeps thinking it's like Snapchat. So she sticks her phone out.
Oh.
Is that the 360?
Yeah.
Did you see these?
Now I do.
Grab a motion chair. One more chair.